Hello everyone, and welcome to this complete step-by-step guide. In this tutorial, you'll learn everything you need to know about finding and sharing your Skype ID. Whether you're using a mobile phone, start by unlocking your phone and opening the Skype app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once inside the app, look at the top of the screen. Tap on your profile picture or your initials. It's usually located in upper left part of the screen. This will open your full profile. Now you'll see an option that says Skype Profile. Tap on that. It brings up all of your profile details, such as your display name, email, location, and most importantly, look for the field called Skype Name. That is your actual Skype ID. It will either look like live Eurosurname or something like live::cid.123 ABC456 DEF. This is the unique ID assigned to your account, and it's different from your email or your display name. Now, if you want to share your Skype ID, simply tap and hold on it, then tap Copy. You can now paste it into a message, an email, a WhatsApp chat, anywhere you need to share it. That's it. Now you know how to find and share your Skype ID with ease, using both your mobile phone and your computer. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.